Hello everyone. Today we will learn subtraction. First of all, what does subtraction mean? Subtraction in mathematics means you are taking something away from a group or number of things. When you subtract, what is left in the group becomes less. Given below is the subtraction sign. It is also called minus. Let's take an example. Suppose I have 5 apples and I gave my friend 3 apples. So now, how many apples do I have? Let's count. 1, 2. I have 2 apples. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. In this sum, 5 is called minuend, 3 is called subtrahend and 2 is called difference. Let's solve some examples. 11 minus 10. We will start subtraction from the last digit. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So the answer is 1. Second example, we have 25 minus 15. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So the answer is 10. So next example, we have 75 minus 29. Can you subtract 9 from 5? No. Why? Because 9 is larger than 5. So what should we do? We will regroup or borrow. What is regrouping? Regrouping or borrowing refers to a method in which we take 10 from one number to give to another number. The reason why we do this is because we do not have enough to perform subtraction between two numbers. How do you know when to regroup? You know it's time to regroup when the number you are subtracting is larger than the number you are subtracting from. Let's solve some examples. First is 75 minus 29. So as you can see, here the number 9 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will borrow 10 from 7. As we borrow 10 from 7, then one digit will be subtracted from 7. That is, 7 will become 6 and 5 will become 15. So now 15 minus 9 equal to 6 and 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So answer is 46. Let's take second example, 95 minus 28. So as you can see, here the number 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will borrow 10 from 9. As we borrow 10 from 9, then one digit will be subtracted from 9. That is, 9 will become 8 and 5 will become 15. So now 15 minus 8 equal to 7 and 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So answer is 67. Now let's take next example, 24 minus 15. So as you can see, here the number 5 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we will borrow 10 from 2. As we borrow 10 from 2, then one digit will be subtracted from 2. That is, 2 will become 1 and 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 5 equal to 9 and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So the answer is 9. Thank you.